एक बार मैं चेक कर लूँ कि आवाज़ वगैरह सही आ रहा है कि नहीं। हेलो एवरीवन, एक बार मैं चेक कर लूँ कि आवाज़ अच्छे तरीके से आ रही है कि नहीं, फिर हम शुरू करेंगे आज का जो भी हमारा सेशन है। आज मैं 8 बजे आने वाला साढ़े 8 बजे आने वाला था, लेकिन कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिच की वजह से मैं आज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया। सॉरी फॉर द लेट। सॉरी फॉर द लेट गाइस। एक बार मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ कि मैं ऑनलाइन हूँ कि नहीं। हाँ, ऑनलाइन तो हूँ और साउंड चेक कर लेता हूँ। हेलो हेलो। आवाज़ तो सही है, साउंड इज़ गुड। ओके एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द लाइव। एक्चुअली मैं डेली नीट के 25 क्वेश्चन करवाता हूँ मेरे लाइव में, और ये फुल एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड और नीट पैटर्न पे बेस्ड है। ये सुपर सीरीज़ हम एवरीडे करते हैं। एक्चुअली 8:30 बजे से मैं शुरू करता हूँ, लेकिन आज थोड़ा सा कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिच की वजह से लेट हो गया। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, शुरू करेंगे। और आज के जो भी हमारे क्वेश्चंस है आज थोड़ा सा इजी टू मॉडरेट के लेवल में है, तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ कि आप मेरे क्वेश्चंस के 25 क्वेश्चंस के में 25 क्वेश्चन ही आंसर करें, तब हम नीट 2027 में 360 आउट ऑफ 360 स्कोर कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, चलिए। तो 25 क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे आज, फिर हम अभी 25 करेंगे, फिर हम धीरे धीरे इसको 50 क्वेश्चंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। उसके बाद फिर हम 90 क्वेश्चन करेंगे एकदम नीट बेसिस पे, नीट पैटर्न पे। ठीक है, चलिए। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, थोड़ा सा ये उल्टा पुल्टा बन गया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हमें आंसर क्वेश्चन से मतलब है, ऑप्शन से कोई मतलब नहीं है। ठीक है, चलिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टैक्सोनॉमिक एड से है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एड्स इज बेस्ड ऑन कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स generally in a pair called a couplet? ऑप्शन है हर्बेरियम, फ्लोरा, की, कैटलॉग्स। आंसर इट इन द चैट इन द गाइस। आंसर कीजिएगा चैट बॉक्स में। मैं चाहता हूँ आप इसका आंसर करें चैट बॉक्स में, मुझे पता चला आप एक्टिव है मेरे लाइव पे। आंसर इट इन द chat box guys. Question is, which of the following taxonomic aids is based on contrasting character generally in a pair called a couplet? आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया, कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिच आ गई थी और ये स्लाइड्स भी नहीं बन पाई थी। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है कभी कभी। अच्छे काम करने जाएंगे तो आपको थोड़ा सा परेशानी आएगी ही। चलिए इसका आंसर क्या होता है देख लेते हैं। इसका आंसर ऑब्वियसली की है, क्योंकि a key is a crucial taxonomic aid used for identifying plant and animal based on similarities and dissimilarities. Keys are based on contrasting character in a pair called a couplet. Each statement within a key is referred to as a lead. Key is a typical analytical in nature, allowing step by step identification. Okay, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन से ये क्वेश्चन है। Which of the following organism is primarily responsible for the formation of large deposit known as diatomaceous earth? Which of the following organism is primarily responsible for the formation of large deposits known as diatomaceous earth? ऑप्शन है डाइनोफ्लैजलेट्स, डायटम्स, यूग्लिनॉइड्स और स्लाइमोल्ड्स। डाइनोफ्लैजलेट्स, डायटम्स, यूग्लिनॉइड्स और स्लाइमोल्ड्स। चलिए इसका आंसर देखते हैं। डायटोमेसियस अर्थ ऑब्वियसली होता है डायटम्स। डायटम्स आर फोटोसिंथेटिक protists that belong to the group chrysophytes. They possess microscopic indestructible cell wall and are made up of silica. Over billion of years, the accumulation of this cell wall deposit on the ocean floor leads to the formation of diatomaceous earth. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 प्लांट किंगडम का ये क्वेश्चन है। The cell wall of a algae is primarily composed of which of the following combination of biomolecules? Options: cellulose, galactans and mannans, hemicellulose, pectins and protein, chitin, peptidoglycan, or D, cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins। चलिए इसका आंसर देखते हैं। आंसर होगा A, cellulose, galactans and mannans। According to NCERT, there is a clear distinction between the cell wall of the plant and algae. Algae cell wall contains cellulose, galactans and mannans and mineral like calcium carbonate। ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एनिमल किंगडम। Which of the following phyla features a water vascular system as its distinctive unique characteristics? Which of the following phyla features a water vascular system as its distinctive unique characteristics? Options: Porifera, Cnidaria, Echinodermata, Mollusca। Porifera, Cnidaria, Echinodermata and Mollusca। Option it guys, answer the chat box। चलिए इसका आंसर है ऑब्वियसली इकाइनोडर्माटा। वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिलोमिक सिस्टम ऑफ इकाइनोडर्म्स और वाटर कैनाल सिस्टम होता है किसमें? पॉरीफेरा में। ध्यान दीजिएगा, वाटर कैनाल सिस्टम होता है पॉरीफेरा में और वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम होता है इकाइनोडर्म्स में। ठीक है, अच्छा इकाइनोडर्म्स का एक स्पेशल फीचर्स है, एक रेडियल सिमेट्री और बायलैटरल सिमेट्री के ऊपर। क्या आपको पता है? आप आंसर कीजिए इसका। लार्वल स्टेज में उसका सिमेट्री क्या होता है और एडल्ट स्टेज में इकाइनोडर्म्स का सिमेट्री क्या होता है? ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन आता है नीट में। ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स है। इन pea and bean flower, the large petal overlaps the lateral ones, which in turn overlap the smallest anterior petal. What is this called? In pea and bean flower, the largest petal overlaps the lateral ones, which in turn overlap the smallest anterior petal. What is this called? Options: vexillary estivation, valvate estivation, imbricate estivation or D, twisted estivation। Answer it guys, vexillary estivation, valvate estivation, imbricate estivation or twisted estivation। If you know the answer, please answer it in the chat box। मुझे भी पता चले आप लाइव सेशन में एक्टिव है। ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये क्वेश्चन एकदम नीट पैटर्न है, पैटर्न पे बेस्ड है और प्योर एनसीईआरटी का ये लाइन बाय लाइन क्वेश्चंस का है, आप इसको रिलेट कर पाएंगे एनसीईआरटी के साथ। चलिए गाइस आंसर कीजिएगा। इन पी एंड बीन फ्लावर द लार्जेस्ट petal overlaps and the lateral ones which in turn overlap the smallest anterior petals। अच्छा, पी और बीन फ्लावर तो आपको पता ही है कौन से फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है। जल्दी से आंसर कीजिएगा चैट बॉक्स में। चलिए इसका आंसर देखते हैं। आंसर विल बी वेक्सिलरी, बिकॉज वेक्सिलरी पैपिलिनेसियस एस्टिवेशन, जिसे हम फैबेसी फैमिली से बोलेंगे, it comprise 5 petals, a large posterior standard that is vexillum, 2 lateral wings and 2 fused that is keels, carina। Next question, question number 6। Closed vascular bundle commonly seen in monocotyledonous plant lack which of the following functional tissue? Options है pith, cambium, xylem, phloem। Closed vascular bundle commonly seen in monocotyledonous plant lack which of the following functional tissue? Options pith, cambium, xylem, phloem। अरे यहीं से आप ऑड वन आउट कर सकते हैं। पिथ भी होगा इसमें, जाइलम भी होगा, तो कैम्बियम नहीं होगा ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि क्लोज वास्कुलर बंडल में कैम्बियम का कोई काम ही नहीं रहता। ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर होगा दैट इज बी, कैम्बियम। क्यों? Open vascular bundle present in dicot stem, they contain intrafascicular cambium allowing secondary growth. Closed vascular system bundles present in monocot systems, they lack cambium and hence do not produce secondary vascular tissue। ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। द सेल से है यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेल ऑर्गेनेल इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज अ फंक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम? गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, लाइजोसोम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और वैक्यूल। इसका आंसर कीजिएगा। मैं थोड़ा पानी पी के आया। Answer it in the chat box guys। चलिए इसका आंसर देखते हैं। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। द एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टम consists of organelles whose functions are closely coordinated but include endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome and vacuole। Mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisome are not part of this system because their metabolic activities are not coordinated with the endomembrane organelle। ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बायोमोलिक्यूल्स का ये क्वेश्चन है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नाइट्रोजनस बेसेस इज स्ट्रक्चरली यूनिक टू आरएनए एंड कंप्लीटली एब्सेंट इन डीएनए? ऑप्शंस है एडेनाइन, थाइमिन, यूरासिल, साइटोसाइन। Which of the following nitrogenous bases is structurally unique to RNA and completely absent in DNA? बताइए। एडेनाइन, थाइमिन, यूरासिल, साइटोसाइन। आरएनए में तो वो प्रेजेंट होता है लेकिन डीएनए में एब्सेंट होता है। यस, हाय असद, हाउ आर यू? हाउ इज योर स्टडी गोइंग? Good, good. Okay, question number, the option will be the answer will be uracil। Okay, question number 9 cell cycle and cell division। Crossing over recombination of genetic material is initiated during which specific stage of prophase 1 in meiosis? Options zygote, pachytene, diplotin, dikinesis। Okay, chemical coordination. Okay, yes, pegitine is the right answer. Chemical coordination. Okay, Asad, tell me, if I'm start a series in a chapter wise series, like from first chapter living world, then biological classification, and rest of the chapter wise questions, it will be helpful for you guys. This mixed question are good or chapter wise question will good? Okay, answer will be pachytene. Process 1 of meiosis is highly dynamic and divided into 5 stages, that is leptotene, zygotene, pachytene and diplotene. Question number 10 from photosynthesis in. Yeah, we will do revision of chapters, but questions. Question solving is very important somehow, because question solving is also helpful for revision of the chapters or the topics. Okay, I'm trying to start a uh, line by line NCERT. Okay, with my own notes, line by line, important topics and important line. Okay. uh, okay, you want NCERT line by line, or my notes with my own line by line? Tell me. I mean, actually, question solving is good. I want to start a chapter wise question solving, like from biological classification, then plant kingdom, then animal kingdom. Okay, let's jump to the question number 10, photosynthesis in higher plants. Which of the following element is absolutely essential for photolysis, that is splitting of water in light reaction? Option: zinc, copper, manganese, molybdenum. Which of the following element is absolutely essential for the photolysis splitting of water in light reaction? Okay, yes, yes. Let's see the answer. That is manganese. Ayush, no, zinc is wrong answer. The answer is manganese. Photolysis of water occur on the inner side of thylakoid membrane associated with pH2. Manganese, chlorine and calcium acts as crucial cofactor for oxygen evolving complex. Okay. Question number 11. Respiration in plants. What is the common metabolic pathway that occurs in both aerobic and anaerobic cellular respiration? Okay, I'm going to, yes, I'm going to organize a group discussion live on Sunday. I'm trying to do a live discussion. Actually, this is very important to know about which type of topic or which type of question session will helpful for NEET 2027. You all you can join the NEET discussion session in on Sunday. मुझे भी पता चले कि क्या क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्या इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, क्या करने से हम NEET 2027 को हेल्पफुल होगा. ठीक है. आयुष, आर यू ओके विथ हिंदी? Okay, the answer is B, that is glycolysis. Asad, you are right. Explanation is glycolysis, also known as the EMP pathway, is the universal first step of carbohydrate breakdown. It occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell and does not require oxygen. A single glucose molecule is broken down via a series of 10 enzyme catalyzed reaction to yield 2 molecule of pyruvic acid, that is 3C. Okay, question number 12 from plant growth and development. Which of the following plant growth regulator phytohormones is widely used to initiate rooting in stem cutting? Options: auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin and ethylene. Answer it, guys. Okay, let's do question first, then we'll discuss at the last in the session what will better for the. Okay, at first we have to do these questions. The 25 question is very important, and the level is moderate to easy level. Okay, question number 13. Yes, auxin is the right answer. Auxin, that is indole butyric acid and NAA naphthalene acetic acid. Okay, next question number 13 from breathing and exchange of gases. Which of the following metabolic factor causes a shift of oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve to the right? Options: high pH, that is alkaline state, low partial pressure of carbon dioxide, low partial pressure of carbon dioxide, high H plus concentration and low systematic temperature. Answer it, and the answer is high H plus concentration. Explanation will be the right shift of HbO2 curve represent decreased affinity of Hb for oxygen, that is Bohr effect, promoting oxygen unloading in tissue. Question number 14, body fluids and circulation. So ये question है. In a standard clinical echocardiogram, that is ECG, the T wave directly represent which of the following events? Options: depolarization of atria, depolarization of ventricle, or repolarization of ventricle and repolarization of atria. Answer it, guys. ओके, आयुष ने आंसर कर दिया है. Yes, the correct answer is repolarization of ventricle. ECG represent electrical activity of the heart over time. P wave, that is arterial depolarization, that is contraction. QRS complex ventricular depolarization, that is onset of systole. T wave ventricular repolarization, return of ventricle from excited to normal state, marking the end of systole. Okay. Question number 15, excretory product and elimination से ये question है. The filtration slit or slit pore within the visceral layer of Bowman's capsule are formed by endothelial cell, podocytes, cuboidal epithelial cell, Henle's loop of cells. Answer it, guys. The filtration slits or slit pores within the visceral layer of Bowman's capsule are formed by okay, let's see the answer. That is B, podocyte. Ayush, you are right. Podocyte is the correct answer. Glomerular ultrafiltration occurs through three layers, that is the endothelial of glomerular blood vessel, basement membrane, and the epithelium of Bowman's capsule. Okay. Question number 16, locomotion and movement से ये क्वेश्चन है. During skeletal muscle contraction, which of the following regions of a sarcomere remains constant in length? बहुत important question है, very important question from locomotion and movement chapter. Ayush, how's the questions? Tell me. Questions are good, NCERT based. Okay, answer will be C, that is A band. Based on sliding filament theory of muscle contraction, actin filament slide over myosin, that is thick filament, I band containing only actin decrease in size, H zone myosin only gap shortens or disappear, A band representing the length of the myosin filament remains completely constant. Okay. Question number 17, neural control and coordination. Which of the following statement is true? Impulse transmission across an electrical synapses. Which of the following statement is true regarding impulse transmission across an electrical synapse? Options: it is faster than a chemical synapse, it is slower than a chemical synapse, it depends on neurotransmitter, it is mediated by synaptic vesicles. Answer will be A, faster than chemical synapse. Synapses are the two major types, chemical and electrical. In pre and post synaptic membrane are in very close proximity, connected directly by gap junctions. Okay. Question number 18, chemical coordination. Which glucocorticoid hormone of adrenal cortex is responsible for stimulating gluconeogenesis and hyperglycemia? A, insulin, B, aldosterone, C, cortisol, or D, thyroxine? Answer it fast, guys. Very easy question. Yes, the correct answer is C, cortisol. The adrenal cortex secretes mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and sex corticoid. Cortisol is the primary glucocorticoid. It increases blood glucose level, that is hyperglycemia, by stimulating gluconeogenesis, lipolysis, and proteolysis. Okay. Question number 19, sexual reproduction in plant. The outer highly resistant hard layer of pollen grain, that is exine, is composed of which organic material? Very easy question. I know you all know this answer. Okay, cellulose, sporopollenin, pectin, lignin. I want your answer in the chat box, guys. Very easy question. Yes, Asad, you are right. Sporopollenin is the right answer. I think there no use of explanation. We all know the answer. Okay, question number 20 from human reproduction. Why are the human testes located outside the abdominal cavity in the pouch-like scrotum? Option: to prevent high abdominal pressure, to maintain lower temperature for spermatogenesis, to provide larger storage volume for sperm, to facilitate faster hormone release. Answer it, guys. Hi Sirat, how are you? How's your study going on? I think you missed the 20 question. Yes, Asad, you are my co-host for the live session. Okay, question number 20 का आंसर होगा B, that is lower temperature. The scrotum acts as physical thermoregulator for the testes. Okay. Question number 21, reproductive health. Which of the following is a hormone releasing intrauterine devices, that is IUD, widely used in contraception? Option: lips loop, multilode 375, LNG20, and copper T. Answer it, guys. Answer it. The correct answer is LNG20. IUDs are classified into three functional categories, that is non-medicated, copper releasing, and hormone releasing. So answer is LNG20. Question number 22, principle of genetics. To determine the exact genotype of a tall plant displaying the dominant phenotype, which cross must be performed? That is back cross, test cross, reciprocal cross, monohybrid cross. Answer it. Okay, the correct answer is test cross. No Ayush, Shirat. Yes, that is test cross. Test cross is used to determine the unknown genotype of an individual presenting a dominant phenotype. Okay, now question number 23rd, molecular basis of inheritance. Which enzyme is responsible for synthesizing a short RNA primer to initiate DNA replication? Option: DNA polymerase 1, प्राइमेज, डीएनए लाइगेज, हेलिकेज. ध्यान से कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर कीजिएगा. Which enzyme is responsible for synthesizing a short RNA primer to initiate DNA replication? Yes, Asad, you are right. F1 JSON cross with both parental is back cross. Okay, so answer it. DNA polymerase 1, primase, DNA ligase, and helicase. Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, primase is the correct answer. DNA polymerase cannot initiate DNA synthesis on a template without a free 3-strand OH group. Okay, therefore enzyme primase or RNA polymerase synthesizes a short complementary sequence of RNA called primer. Okay, okay. Next, question number 24, biotechnology principle. In a gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized after staining with acetocarmine in UV light, ethidium bromide in UV light, methylene blue in visible light, ethidium bromide in infrared light. Okay guys, don't go anywhere after the session, after the question 25 question. I have a discussion with you all. What is better options to study in biology? Okay, okay, answer it. Answer is B, ethidium bromide in UV light. No Ayush, it is B, ethidium bromide in UV light. DNA is negatively charged and migrate towards the anode in an agarose gel matrix. Okay. Question number 25. Last question for today. What type of population interaction is observed when epiphytic orchid grow on branch of a mango tree? Options: commensalism, mutualism, parasitism, amensalism. Answer it guys. Yes, bright orange color. The answer is A, commensalism. Yes, Shirath, you are right. A, commensalism. Ayush, you are also right. Commensalism is the correct answer. Commensalism is a biological interaction where one species benefit and other remain completely unaffected. Okay. Okay. So I want to ask you guys about the sessions. What will be better for you all? I want a discussion, pure discussion. What is helpful for you? A chapter wise questions, line by line NCERT reading in live or in a long video part wise. Actually I uploaded a video, you can check it my option. Asad, you are you there? Tell me what is better for you guys. Give me ideas or anything. Actually it will be beneficial for you if I'm doing a chapter wise series, 25 question of each chapters. Okay, I'm start from class 11, then after class 12, and every Sunday I'm going to start a marathon of 50 question. Okay. Yes, Asad. It is okay with you? Okay. Chapter wise question. Yes, yes. I'm feeling so happy that you all joining my live every day. I'm so happy for that, and I want to see you all in taking admission in government medical college. Ayush, you are okay with Hindi? Yes, yes. Ayush, like the session and subscribe my channel for the latest videos and live session notification. Okay, tell me about the today's live session and questions. All questions are good. There is any problem in question? Tell me if there is any problem. Tell me. I will rectify it. If you have any doubt about any question or anything else, I will answer it. I'm happy to answer and I'm happy to clear your doubt. I'm just helping you just do whatever, but my last expectation is please take a government seat. I want you all to see in the government medical college. Sirat, where I'm from? Asad, where are you from? Tell me. Which state? Sirat, this is your this is into NEET 2027 is your first attempt, or you had given any attempts earlier? Yes. Photosynthesis and Aspirant I made a video part 1, and today I'll made part 2. Okay, I will and photosynthesis and Aspirant are going to make a 3 part. Last part will consisting of MCQ, summary and many PYQs. Okay. Okay, series is from Kashmir. Oh my god. Jannat of India. And Asad is from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Okay, you are from your class 11. No issue. Okay, I'm just trying to deliver every possible way to yeah, my name is Shubham. My name is Shubham. Yes, okay, Sirat, you are aspirant of NEET. That's great. you are in studying class 10th and you are attending live session of NEET. That's very great, very appreciable. I'm very very happy. You watching from Kashmir. I'm from West Bengal. Okay, guys, I'm ending this live session for today. I hope this will very helpful for your study for biology session. I'm going to make another video of photosynthesis and every line by line revision for each and every chapters of biology. Okay. Okay, oh my god, 498. That's very good, very good. Just Asat, you are doing great. I'm expecting you to see in government medical college in Tamil Nadu, or I'm expecting you to see you in AIMS Delhi. That's it. There's a line in Hindi, जी जान लगा दो, जी जान लगा दो, एम्स में मुझे आप तुमको देखना है. Yes. Okay, Asad, Shirat, and everyone for joining my live session. See you, see you tomorrow in same time, 8:30 p.m. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for joining my live. Thank you all. Thank you, Asad. Thank you, Shirat. Thank you, Ayush, and everyone. Thank you for joining my live. Okay. Good night for today. See you tomorrow, all. Don't forget to join the live. Okay. If you miss the live, you can see from my video session. Okay. But don't miss the video because it contains very important and very the very important question from NEET. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for joining my live, guys. Thank you. Good night. I'm ending the live. टेक केयर. अच्छे से रहिए, अच्छे से पढ़ाई कीजिए. ओके. चलिए फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे. थैंक यू.